All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 5s, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. I'm going to have to give it to Juice WRLD with Robbery. And man, if you know me, you know I really only listen to two artists. I listen to a bunch of other ones, obviously, but the main two artists I like religiously listen to are Juice and X. So I remember the day this song came out. I was in the guidance office at my school, and we had like a little couch, and I was just listening to it. I don't know why I was in there. I was listening to it for like literally like a whole hour because I had to wait to talk to my guidance counselor. And this song is amazing. Obviously, it's one of his more famous ones, but it's so good. If you for some reason haven't listened to it, go listen to it. If not, like, and you haven't listened to it in a while, like I have, for me, I haven't listened to it in probably 4 months or 5 months. So it's nice just, actually listening to it again. But yeah, just go listen to it. You won't regret it. It's amazing. And let's actually get into the new pair of shoes. Okay, so this is the box that the shoes come in, and obviously these are the Oregon 5s, or as they call them, apple green. Retail was $225. I believe after shipping and tax I paid around $240 something, so basically almost $250 for these. And that's a lot, man. To put an extra what, $35 on them? I believe retail usually is $190 for Jordan 5s. Like, that's a lot. And at least they did give us, an extra box. I would say maybe this box costs like an extra $5 or so. In reality, I don't know. And I haven't seen these yet, so I'm super excited. But yeah, let me just show you guys the box. Spin it around a little bit. Really cool box. I mean, it's nothing like crazy, but at least they did something with it. Yeah, there's also like a little hole there. But yeah, let's actually open these up. I'm super excited. Like, the paper isn't even like, wrinkled and shit. Like, I haven't seen these at all, so I'm super hyped. Let me know if you guys picked these up. I did see a couple people take L's, and just by looking at them, man, they are super clean. Let me take these out for you guys. My paper's a little bit ripped, whatever. Let me know if you guys were able to pick these up for retail or if you guys are paying resale. They weren't really too hard to get, but again, I did see a couple people take L's on sneakers. I even took an L on sneakers like I always do. But I feel like if you went on Finish Line, Foot Locker, and just a bunch of those other sites, like, you probably were able to pick these up. And just from looking at these, you guys should know what they are. I'll put a picture up on the screen. These are based off of the Oregon PEs, and man, those are super nice. They have the duck on the back. There's an O up here, and I believe on the inside, there is supposed to be like a number of the player that received it. I think that's how it works. I'm not 100% about that. They usually like black it out and everything. That way people don't know who exactly gave them in for money. But I believe those are the only differences. And I think the inside isn't like this. I don't really know how to explain it, but you guys can tell it's not like all black. There's like a little, I don't know. It kind of looks like carbon fiber, I guess, but like, it's not exactly like that. I'll put a pic. Obviously, there's a picture up on the screen. So this is what the shoe is based off of. And I've wanted those shoes for literally years now. Ever since I first saw them, I think they look amazing. So obviously, when I first heard about these being released, I was super hyped. And yeah, let me just spin these around for you guys. Okay, let me show you guys up close. These are super dope, man. Greatest basketball player of all time. Icy blue bottoms. Let me show you guys the inside. There is like a yellow insole. Obviously, I got a size 9. That's my size. On the inside, it says Elevate. I believe it says it on the other shoe as well. Yeah. Let me show you guys the little lace tags. They're just all black, nothing crazy. You see the yellow Jumpman, which is kind of cool. Glad they did that. It matches the little yellow like shark teeth. That's what they're based off of, in case you guys did not know. And man, these are super clean. Quality, they're pretty good. I mean, it's nothing crazy. I don't know if you can see that. Mine has like a little stain, and that's so annoying. I feel like my shoes always have like something wrong with them, but like, nothing I could do about it, man. Again, I copped these off of Finish Line. And let me see. I don't know if you can see it too on camera. It does change. So quality is pretty good. It's not like amazing like Travis Scott or obviously like Shattered Backboard because it's not leather. But You know, it's okay. It does move a little bit. And yeah, these are super clean, and let me show you guys what they look on feet. Okay, so looking at these on feet, man, these look so nice. And it's actually crazy having these on feet because I've wanted the player exclusives for so long, like literally years, man. And I knew I was never going to be able to own that shoe because it went for like 8 grand. And I've even seen some sizes sell for like 12 grand. So I knew I was never going to own that shoe. So just having this one it's nice, man. Like, I'm definitely gonna keep these. I just have to find something to wear it with, like, because it's like bright green, and I normally don't wear green just because I don't like it too much. But man, I'm gonna have to wear these. These are so nice. They're super clean, and again, materials are pretty good. So for the extra, what, $30 or $35, do I think they're worth it? I don't know, to be honest. Like, they could have literally put these at 190, and I feel like they would have been so much better, to be honest. Because we literally only paid like the extra $20 or $30 just because they are based off of an Oregon PE. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Did you guys pick them up? Did you guys take an L? And what should I wear with this? Because, man, like, I don't know. It's like bright green. I literally have nothing to wear with these. And I don't think these are going to crease too bad just because of the materials. It's kind of like a nubuck material. So I don't think creasing will be too bad. Yeah, I don't really like this like interior, but at the end of the day, it's just on the inside, so I'm not really going to see it too often. And I just think these are an amazing shoe, and they did such a good job with them. Let me know what you guys think about them. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.